welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Jason and I do unboxings. So in this video, we are going to be doing yet another beauty subscription. And this is from a company called Eyescream Beauty. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, then stay tuned. Okay, so let's get right back into this box. I took a little hiatus from this box, but I did really enjoy it when I got it. So I just decided to start subscribing again. If you are not familiar with this box, it is again called Eyescream Beauty. And it is, I believe, through Cratejoy, it is $21 a month plus shipping. So I think it averages out to just under $30 a month. And I believe you get 5 to 6 full-size products, and there is always an eyeshadow palette in every box. So let's go ahead and look at this. This is what the box looks like. It's always this fun kind of geometric design. And I'm gonna open the top here. I think I opened it upside down, but this is what the inside looks like because the card is not on top. And usually they have a card in it. So let me see actually if I can get a hold of a card. There, looks like there may be some kind of card there. There we go. Yeah, I opened it upside down. So, so the card in here, they just give you like this little paper that tells you the products, and it gives you the retail value of each product. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, there's 5 in this product. And this is December Winter Wonderland. So let's go ahead and just start pulling out the items. First thing we have in here, oops, looks like the plastic came off. This is the first item in here, Int. I'm guessing this might be a mascara, Int Cosmetics. Yeah, mascara. I don't mind mascaras. I do wear it on occasion. I have never heard of this brand. It does say that it's cruelty-free and the color is pitch black. So this retails for Int Cosmetics mascara retails for $10. And this is what the container looks like. And let's see what the spoolie inside looks like. Okay. It's kind of a strange, I don't know if it's just missing bristles or if it's meant to look like that. That's a little odd. I don't know. If you're familiar with this particular mascara, then let me know in the comments below and let me know if that's what the little wand normally looks like. All right, so there is that. Next item in here is, what is it? It's wrapped in this little bubble wrap. So let's take it out of the bubble wrap because I'm not gonna be able to see it very well. Okay, so this is from Mirabella, and this says Glow Mirabella. And let's lift off this and see what's... Okay, ooh, interesting. Lighten Up, so it looks like it's probably a highlighter. Brilliant Compassy. When you take it out of the box, this is what it looks like. That's interesting. It looks a little like bacon to me. I don't know why. And it's waved. I don't know if that shows up in the video, but it's got waves in it. So I'm curious to see what that would look like swatched. So it's not showing up much on the finger. it's coming off much pinker than I would imagine. So that's that. All right, well, that's interesting. Let's read and see what the retail of that is. Mirabella Latte Swirl Highlighter. Wow, that retails for $42. Okay. I'm not really familiar with Mirabella brand. I've heard of it, but I don't think I've gotten any products from them. Not that I can remember off the top of my head. But based on that, I would imagine it's kind of an expensive brand. All right, so let's get further into the box. Next item I'm pulling out is Pure Illumination, and this looks like it's a lip product. Okay, looks like a nude mauve-y color. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh, it's got a mirror. It says peel off here. I'm not going to peel it off, but on the side here they do have a peel off sticky where they have a little mirror. And this is, let's see, let's look if it's a lip gloss or this is Pure Cosmetics light up gloss with mirror. So it should light up as well. Let's see. Oh, yep, there it goes. All right. That's cool. I've only seen one other brand do that, and that was Gerard Cosmetics. And unfortunately, the one that I got, the light wasn't working. But Jen Gerard, the owner of the company, was very kind. She saw my post on somebody else's, I commented on a mutual friend's post and said that mine wasn't working, and she saw that right away, responded back to me, said please contact my team, we'll take care of you. And I did, and they did. And so way to go, Gerard Cosmetics, for looking out for your customer service. I really do appreciate that. So this is the second light up lip gloss that I've had. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Ooh, it's kind of very, very sticky. It may just need to really be mixed up, but it's very kind of gloopy. I don't know if that's the color. So it is more of a nude. All right, well, that is the next item, and I told you that was $20. It retails for $20. So we've got 3 items so far. Let's look at our next item, which is this. This is Crown Brush. It's a 12-piece vintage set. Wow. Okay, let's see what this looks like. I do have lots of brushes, but this happens to be one of my favorite colors, so let's pull this out. Sorry for the crinkling. Okay. So the packaging is like a pleather, like a plastic pleather. And then when you open it up, oh, that's fun. The inside looks like, oops, looks like this. That is really fun. And you get 12, like I said, 12 brushes. Okay, so there's actually some brushes in here that I don't have, which is great. Let's see here. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see them, but these are the different brushes in here. So seems that they give you a really good variety of brushes. Let's just pull one out and see what the, ooh, that's really soft. I like that. It's just got like a seafoam color wand and then like an ombre brush. That's super soft and it's sturdy. So, all right, well, I know I said I have a lot of brushes, and I've been giving some brushes away in, can't get it back in that way, so I'm just gonna put it that way. But I think I'll be holding on to this. This I really like. Okay, good job. This is Crown brush, and it retails for $22. 12-piece brush, that's not bad. It's not bad for this, I don't think. So, all right. Let's look at our next and last product. And this is the eyeshadow palette. And this is also from Crown. So, okay, so they give you eyeshadow palette and the shadow set, or the brush set. So this is the eyeshadow palette. Let's open this up and see what this palette looks like. I am not familiar with this brand at all, so, but I do like their brushes. At least I like the way that they feel initially. So it's just kind of a basic white plastic. And then when you open it up, it does have a little mirror inside, a medium-sized mirror inside. These colors are interesting. And these are the colors inside. Those are actually, I think that's a pretty decent palette. Let's just do a couple swatches and see how this goes on. Now, I know that a lot of people say you can't tell how good an eyeshadow palette is based on swatching. Let's take, I like this blue. I'm gonna take these two blues at the top, and then I'm gonna take this copper at the bottom and the darker blue at the bottom. Ooh, copper and the darker blue, and see how those swatch. Okay, so here they are on the fingers, and let's see if I can figure out how to swatch them on my arm without, of course, now I had to have my Yoda, or my Grogu Christmas sweater on. Wow. Ooh, those swatched really well. Let's see here. If I hold it this way. It's kind of, I think you can see it pretty well there. That was one swipe. This is kind of a shimmer shade. Actually, they all have a little bit of a shimmer, but these two here, the first teal and then the copper, are much more shimmery. Those go on really well. All right, and they're still on the fingers, so okay, not mad about that. I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, so the only reason I swatched these is because I don't have a lot with those colors in it. So that retails for, where is it? Oh wait, okay, so yeah, the palette. So that is also Crown Brush OMG 10 palette, and that retails for $10. That's not bad at all. Okay, that will do it for this box. What did you think of this box, this Eyescream Beauty box? Let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, that will do it for me. And I hope everybody is doing well. Everybody is staying happy, staying healthy. And if you're enjoying these unboxings, then please, please, please like my videos, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Other than that, hope everybody's well, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.